Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write New Year party invitation card in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Dear guests, as we bid farewell to 2023 and eagerly wait the dawn of 2024, join me for a night of celebration, laughter, and joy. Let's raise our hands to new beginnings and unforgettable memories. Date December 31, 2023. Time 8 p.m. onwards. Venue, here you can write your address. Dress in your best and let's dance our way in to the new year. Mouth-watering treats and good company await. Let's welcome 2024 with open arms. Here is to another year of friendship and happiness. RSVP by December 20, 2023. In the next line, cheers, then write your name.